Hello guys, today I will show you total 5 colleges notification for the various posts like professor as well as non-teaching staff. Let's start with that first college, that is Vignans, so deemed to be university. Here you can see applications are invited from candidates for the post of associate assistant professor in computer science and engineering department, that is CSE. So eligibility: PhD from reputed institution. Candidate who have submitted PhD thesis and awaiting viva may also apply for the post of assistant professor. Experience in teaching in higher technical institutions desirable. So interested candidates may forward their resume to recruitment@vignan.ac.in by 25th July 2021. Salary as per UGC norms, highest start for deserving candidates. Okay, so you have to remember the last date is 25 July. So just send your resume to this email ID, and you can see this is PhD preferable. Okay, now coming to the next colleges, that Ramachandra College of Engineering. So here you can see applications are invited for the following faculty positions. Here are the department as well as the position: the CSE, ECE and the civil. Okay, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, system admin and lab technicians. PhD is desirable for the post of professor, associate professor as well as the professor. Okay, so qualification and experiences as per AICTE norm. So visit college website and submit Google form on or before 25th July 2021. Just go to their official website and submit that Google form on or before 25th July 2021. So basically vacancy in the three departments: CSE, ECE as well as civil. Now coming to the third notification, that is Excel Engineering College and Engineering College of Engineering and Technology. So basically this is situated in Tamil Nadu. Wanted associate professors. So qualification as per AICTE or Anna University norms. So here are the safety and fire, biomedical, agriculture, aerospace, CSE, ECE, food technology, chemical, IT, petrochemical technology, chemistry, mathematics, English and physics. So eligible candidates may apply through links. So you have to direct go to their official website, click on the career section. There will be some Google form and submit your as per they asked. Okay, so now coming to the next notification. So this is basically one of the NIT, that National Institute of Technology Meghalaya. So here you can see that the advertising number dated in 13 July 2021. Okay, so here you can see that interested candidate must fill in online application available on the institute website by 12 midnight of 31st October 2021 and send the signed hard copy application with payment receipt and other claimant documents to register in NIT Meghalaya, ठीक है, Shillong on or before 5 PM 15 September 2021. Okay, so you have to remember that the last date of online application is 31st August 2021 and received that hard copy is 15 September 2021. So here are the name of the post and their pay scale, and here are the vacancies for the various department. Here you can see that the civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering 4 vacancies, chemistry 1 vacancies, humanitarian science 1 vacancies. Okay, here they give all the details, qualifications, essential requirement. Okay, so just read the notification. I will share you the following links, that official notification. Otherwise you directly go to that NIT Meghalaya. Here you can download that notification and read that and apply as soon as possible. Okay, so here you can see opening date of online portal 15 July 2020 already started. Last date submission 31st August 2021. Last date of receiving hard copy 15 September 2021. Okay, now coming to the next notification, that Amrita Viswa Vidyapith. Okay, so faculty for the computer science and engineering department. Here you can see that the minimum qualification PhD from a reputed university with first class equivalent. Okay, here are the experiences, here are the specializations. So last date is 30 July 2021. So here you can see that apply online. So name, email, phone number and resume, curriculum activities. Okay, so you have to submit here. So I will give you that direct link to this college, and Here you can see that just few seconds